Ever wondered why the monsoon season fills our hearts with unparalleled joy? Just as the skies transition from a clear azure to a canvas of brooding grays, the air vibrates with anticipation. The arrival of the rains is like an old friend coming to visit. Each raindrop is a life giver, kissing the parched earth and filling the world with a sense of rejuvenation. As the pitter-patter begins, a sense of rejuvenation spreads all around. What's the monsoon vibe, you ask? Well, it's a symphony of sensations that comes alive during the monsoon season. Imagine the joy of dancing in the rain, your feet tapping to the rhythm of falling raindrops. The excitement of jumping into puddles, creating a splash that mirrors your unbridled happiness. This is what we call the monsoon vibe. But that's not all. Picture this. As the thunder roars and lightning illuminates the sky, you're safe and cozy indoors. Perhaps you're curled up with a good book, the sound of raindrops serving as a soothing backdrop. The contrast between the outdoor thrill and indoor tranquility underscores the comforting aspect of the monsoon. It's a time to feel, to experience, to live. So whether you're dancing outside or cozying up indoors, the monsoon vibe is all about being alive. But the monsoon is not just about us, it's nature's love letter to the earth. It's a season of rejuvenation, a time when the world takes a deep, cleansing breath. As the rain cascades down, it quenches the parched soil, and the earth responds with a burst of life. Flowers bloom, their vibrant hues a testament to the monsoon's nurturing touch. Each raindrop is a word in this love letter, a sonnet penned by nature. They brew softly, whispering tales of life and growth. The monsoon is indeed a beautiful symphony of love, a celebration of life's enduring cycle. It's a gentle reminder that even the heavens care for the earth. The monsoon's dews are a love note from nature, wrapped in vibrant hues. So, what should you do when the rain comes pouring down? Well, don't let a downpour dampen your spirits. Instead, let it uplift them. The monsoon isn't just about the rain, it's about the joy it brings. The splish-splashing of puddles, the dance of droplets on the leaves, the fresh, earthy scent that fills the air. It's about the laughter and the games, the hot cups of cocoa, the cozy reading nooks, and the shared stories. It's about coming alive in the rhythm of the rain, letting it wash over you, embracing the magic it weaves. So next time the rain pours, grab your umbrella, step outside, and immerse yourself in the sweet monsoon vibe.